Hello, welcome back to our lesson about capital letter principles. So we have 4 more rules here, and I'll just go over them quickly. So the first rule, stroke, principle, whatever you want to call it, the oval. We've learnt the oval already, so this is a slightly larger version of the oval. And and what's the way you can practice it is by basically doing this kind of looping oval thing basically on your page. A bit about the spacing. The reason I want you to use graph paper is instead of blank is to just get the spacing right. So on this graph paper, this Rhodia graph paper, which I recommend obviously because it's just good paper, the boxes are 5 by 5 millimeters. If you want, but regular graph paper it's about 7 by 7. And I recommend that your letter height for capitals is about 2 to 3 boxes, and your width is about 2 boxes. Sorry, 2.5 boxes to 3.1 boxes. Okay, next kind of principle. It is the bad 6. Now, what the bad 6 is it's a bad 6. The way we practice it is we get it between these two 52-degree lines. Make a shape like that. Just practice that about for about half a page, or about half to 1 page. Now, third principle, bad 9. Bad 9. The way we practice it is we can dissect it. So we'll start with this stroke, and then it kind of transitions into that stroke, then goes into that stroke there, like that. And when we combine it together, we get something like that. Let me just write it here. So it has to look something like that. Fourth principle, compound curve. But Orlando, haven't we learnt the compound curve? Well, yes, we have, but we've learnt it a different version. This is a different version of the compound curve. We learnt the compound curve like this, didn't we? Well, in this compound curve, it looks more like this, but if it was tilted over and on drugs. So what we do is we draw out 52-degree boxes, and the way I can kind of demonstrate it is sorry, I don't know if that's in a frame here. Okay, that would be in a frame. Sorry, and then we can make this curve at the end. That will be our compound. Our compound curve, Thank you for listening to this hopefully brief and short video about the capital rules, or the capital letter principles in Spencerian script. Remember, your homework is to practice each of these for about half a page to 1 page, and I changed my mind. 1/4 of a page. Practice all of these for 1/4 of a page to 1 page, and I will see you next time where I will demonstrate how the letters play into this. Thank you. Goodbye.